Hi, I'm Jennifer Schell from iNwine, and today we're going to be making a recipe from my new cookbook, the BC Wine Lovers Cookbook. We're going to make a Plum Clafoutis recipe. It's from Moon Curser Vineyards in Osoyoos, featuring local plums. Let's get to it. So the ingredient list for this recipe is very short. It's very simple. We're featuring these Italian prune plums. So you need 2 to 3 cups chopped into bite-sized pieces, 3 local eggs, of course, 1 cup of whole milk, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of flour, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And that's it. So first I'm going to chop up these lovely prune plums just into bite-sized pieces. So half them and then quarter them makes it about perfect. So easy peasy, this is sort of like a pancake batter recipe. We're going to crack the eggs into a bowl. 1, 2, 3. If you get a little eggshell in there, remember the trick to use the shell to grab and pull it out. There we go. So 3 eggs, 1 cup of milk. I'm just going to give this a little stir together. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla into the wet. And then mix together the sugar and the flour in another bowl. Okay, so the dry into the wet, and actually you don't have to do it this way. You can just mix it all together in one bowl if you want. So we're going to stir this up. A whisk also works well. Get all the lumps out, and then we're going to pour it into the cast iron pan. So easy. Oh, preheat the oven to 350. Okay, so we're going to pour the batter into the cast iron. Make sure get it all. There we go. Isn't this a cute spatula? Okay, and take your chopped fruit and spread it on all over. Okay, that's it. We're ready to put this into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until your toothpick comes out clean. So while the clafoutis is baking in the oven, we are going to taste this wine pairing. We have a Dolcetto from Moon Curser Vineyards in Osoyoos. Now this is a very rare varietal. It's Italian, and I think they're the only ones that make this in BC. The fun thing is it's served chilled, which makes it perfect for this time of year. Let's have a little taste here. So this wine features notes of plum and cherries and spices, making it absolutely perfect for this dessert. Gorgeous. Enjoy. So for the finishing touch, we're going to use a little icing sugar. You can also serve this with ice cream or whipped cream. So the great thing about this dish is if you use a cast iron pan like this, you can just serve it like this. It looks fantastic. Enjoy.